this thing on. Okay. Alright, today I'm going to clean my motorcycle chain, kerosene, that I got at the Ace hardware store for about $26. This whole jug, okay? Normally, I use this one, no tool. This cost me about $12 to $15 per can, and it runs out pretty quick. So, we'll see how well this does. First things first, gotta pour in here. Ah. Oops, forgot the gloves. Yeesh. God damn. Alright, here we go, here we go. Okay, that was a bad idea. This one will probably be better. What the hell is this, bro? Alright, done. Look at that. All right, done. Nada. So it looks like it works. I'll have to lube it later, but this is just to show you that this kerosene, about $26, it works wonders. Now I don't have to use this anymore. It's gonna cost me a fortune.